Hello everyone. This video is going to introduce the teaching automation script language. This is a programming language. It's for teaching automation. It describes the sequence of the teaching activities to realize the goal of the teaching contents. The teaching automation actually is automation for teach. It's going to save the teacher's work and the time. So in this, when we research the teaching automation and build something for teaching automation, actually it's going to save teachers time and work. It's not going to replace the human teachers. So I believe the teaching automation is very important in the future, but at the moment it has not got much attention because most people believe this is far away. The teaching automation is not going to be in the near future, right? But as I have doing some research work for this area, 10 years, almost 10 years, and then I will introduce something I have done for that. So the teaching automation script language is one I have done for the teaching automation. What is teaching automation script language? This language is a very simple script language. So we know like JavaScript or some other script, for example, Python or some programming language like Groovy or something. But this one is very simple. The teaching automation script is very simple. It's not going to be as Python, JavaScript or something. So it's focusing. The script is built focusing to teachers. Teachers is not a computer expert, so they are not going to learn very high-level programming language. So they only need to know very simple script language. So it's the teaching automation script language is very easy and learn to use. So when you try to learn how to use that, it's very easy. I will show you in the future videos. Okay, I will demo this in the future videos. I think the teachers and the professionals will use this to build their teaching activities. A teacher will try to teach students knowledge, and a professionals may have a knowledge other people don't know, may have some experience other people don't know. They want to share their knowledge or experience with others, so they can use this teaching automation to build their scripts. And then when the students or other people try to learn that, they only need to play the scripts. Okay, they play the scripts. Then the teacher will be completed with this teaching automation. Right? The teaching automation script language will describe the sequence of the teaching activities. Okay, so when we teach, we may have a couple of teaching activities. These teaching activities, then they are played in sequences, and then to realize the teaching goal. Right? And the teaching automation script language also define the control logic of the teaching activities. For example, when we're doing some personalized learning or teaching to students, then we firstly will assess the student's capability. Right? After we get the results of the student capability by like doing some quizzes, and then we will provide different teaching contents and the teaching plan for different students. So in here, we need the control logic to decide which contents and which plan we should provide for different students, individual students. So that's in this way we will realize the personalized learning or teaching. Right? So in the kernel, actually our teaching automation employs the text-to-speech of the operating system to generate the audio. So some people may complain the text-to-speech is not good enough. It's sometimes it's awkward, but I have to tell you, you have to get used to, because even students, even human teachers, they may have a different voice. They may have different, audio to speak something. They may have a different language capability. Like some teacher may speak very good English, but some teachers do not speak very good English, right? So you have to get used to. You have to get used to your teachers, right? So if you play this in a couple of weeks, just like me, from the beginning, I really don't like text to speech. But after a couple of weeks work, I find it's acceptable. Yeah, and I'm gradually adapted. I'm gradually getting used to this. I can understand. I'm going to like that. So you have to get used to for that. And the teaching automation script language use the synchronized text-to-speech voice and some text, picture, image, animation. They combine together to build an instant video. So the video is not pre-recorded. The teaching is not pre-recorded. It is generated instantly when you play the script. Okay, just like that. You have a movie script, right? And using this teaching automation platform and the play function, it will be converted to a real movie. So you don't need to use people to take camera, to capture the real people's work, real people's speaking. This teaching automation will automatically convert your script to a movie, your movie script to a movie. So if you think of that, you can understand. It will help you to understand what this teaching automation platform doing. Okay, just think about that. You have a movie script. In another is the real movie. So we have a tool to help you to convert that directly, convert the script to movie. Okay, but this movie is only a teaching movie, not a normal movie. That's different. Okay, so I hope this video help you to understand what is teaching automation script language. Thanks.